So today we got the Triumph Sprint 1050. So this is the first litre bike that we're going to be running on this channel. If you're new to this channel and you like what we do, don't forget like, comment, share, subscribe, engage, man. And so let's get into it, man. Oh gosh, let's have a look. Sounds good. Okay, so again, this is the first litre bike that we've got on here. Triumph 1050 Sprint. So far, I can see that the positioning, the seating is really good. I feel like you can ride on this for ages, which is good. Mirrors are quite static. I'm not really used to that. I think this is like a cross between sports and touring, to be fair. Sounds good. Clutch is really kind of close still. Hold on. I've forgotten to put the sat nav on. Hold on. Alright then, so let's have a look. I gotta get used to the clutch. It's a big boy bike, man, but this just wants to go. This is kind of mad. Do you remember my thing's a carburetted thing? This is a fuel injected. Interesting. Riding it, you can tell it's a heavy bike. It doesn't feel real flickable. But yeah, this is definitely something where you could sit on a motorway for an hour, 2 hours on it, and it won't do anything for your back. Really comfortable. Power's there if you need it. Yeah, this is definitely not a beginner's bike. This is way too much power for someone that's beginning. I think the 7 it's got less power, but I think the 7's faster. That's what I feel anyway. This is definitely nice and comfortable. Yes, it's popping and banging. I don't know, I feel like I got a bit of a mixed feeling with this because I feel like I'm upright, like in an armchair sofa settings, and then when you go like that, it's gone. Mate, yeah, this is crazy. Yeah. Would I have one of these? I don't know. I'd borrow it if I wanted to ride somewhere far and stuff, but I think it's a little bit too heavy on the standstill. So when it's bike standing still and you got to maneuver it and stuff, it's not a light bike to play with. But comfort wise, definitely 100%, man. 100%. This definitely has some power to it, man. Definitely. If you just twist it. One little twist, you know, and it's curtains. One little twist and it's curtains. It's crazy. Crazy work. Crazy work. The stats for the bike, I should just put it up on the screen, so I'll be putting the stats up on the screen of what this bike is. If you just twist it, yeah, the overtaking power, this is crazy, crazy, crazy. This shouldn't even be doing this. This should not be doing this at all, Rasta. This should not be doing this. Probably in third gear now, yeah. If I just twist it, it just keeps going. Like, it's madness. It's madness. Oh my god. This is fun in a very not supposed to be fun way, if that makes sense. Yeah, I don't know if you get what I'm saying. I'm sure riders will get it. This is not supposed to be fun. It's not at all. Okay, let's go this way. Yes. 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 Do it again. Do it again. Yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy. Like I said, I don't feel like I would own one, but I don't know, I got mixed feelings. Like, maybe I need to have one for a whole day or something, man. I'll get used to it. Oi! Mate, yeah, this is a weapon, you know. I can't lie, this is a weapon. Do you know what? Let me take back what I said. I think this will leave my 7, you know. I think it might do, man. Yeah, the power on this is crazy. Yeah, this has a lot of power, mate. It's aggressive as well. It's not supposed to do this, man. It ain't supposed to make me feel like this. I don't understand. This is mixed feelings, man. Like, when I'm sitting on it, it don't feel like it's supposed to be sport. As I said, armchair settings, sitting upright, and then all you do is you just twist that, and it just it just won't stop, and makes you grin from ear to ear, knowing that if you didn't know what you was doing, you could flip and kill yourself on this. Like, definitely, without a shadow of a doubt. There's not much room for error when you twist that throttle. When you twist that throttle, it's just gonna go. It's not playing with you. You get me? Like, yeah. I feel like I need to go down that road one more time. I need to feel that one more time before I park this up. This is crazy. This is crazy. I need to feel that feeling one more time. Oh my god. I think I'm like a kid in a sweet shop with this. And I'm talking about I wouldn't own one. Like, that's what I'm saying. It's crazy. Man. But you know what? If you like sports touring, something that is going to keep up or even leave some of these sports bikes, mate, you can't go wrong with this, you know. I can't lie. I'm not sure about the mechanical stuff of these, Are they reliable? Are they not? Do they break easy? I don't know. But I'm telling you, this thing is not a toy at all. This is not one of them bikes where people say, oh, can I have a go, can I have a go, and you just give them a go on the bike like it's a flipping bicycle. Like, it's definitely not that. Yeah, you gotta know what you're doing, mate. As long as you're in control of the bike, don't let the bike control you. Let's go again. I need to feel that feeling again. And the thing is, I'm not even going that fast, but it's just the torque. The way the torque, I don't know, it's bad. I can't explain it. Only a biker would understand still. Look at this guy right up on my back. Oh my God. Well, let's go back round. Oi. I don't know if you can hear it, you know, I'm still smiling, like I can't even stop smiling. Bike will have you grinning down the place like you ain't got no damn sense. Oh, please, man, no. Oi, this is... Oh, gosh. I don't know if this is the original cans that's on the back of this, but this sounds wild. Wild, wild, wild. Hey. Oh gosh, why do these guys keep going in front of me, man? I just want the road to myself. Oh. I'm still smiling. I'm smiling like I ain't got no damn sense, you know. I'm a sports tourer, got me smiling like this. Yo! Oh God! Listen, guys, that's the end of the. I can't even chat properly. That's the end of the video today, guys. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that beautiful stuff. Get your dry finger out, press the subscribe button, turn on the notifications for when the videos are coming. Soon it's going to be a video a day for 365 days. That's the aim. Hopefully I can do that. So again, if you want to buy one of these bikes, in fact, just try one out. Try one of these bikes out. This bike is actually amazing. I don't know if it's completely for me, but it definitely makes you smile. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that beautiful stuff. Listen, peace, I'm out.